Hi dear students, how are you all of you? Dear students, you all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. And if you are new on our channel, dear student, please subscribe it. Yes. And this is our fifth number lesson, the foundation of the Swaraj. See, name is given here. Yes. Subject history and civics. Okay. See, before starting this exercise, just I would like to explain that the explanation of this lesson is already given on our channel and I am giving you link in the description box. Two parts I have made of this lesson. Dear student, if you listen those parts, really you will understand this lesson very well. Let's start with the question number 1. Find the odd man out. Find the odd man out. Pune, Supe, Chakan, Bangalore. So the answer is Bangalore. Second, Jadhav of Fulton, More of Javli, Ghorpode of Mudhol, Sawant of Sawantwadi. So what is the answer of this question? Jadhav of Fulton. Yes. Now third one is that Torna, मुरुमदेव, सिंहगड, सिंधुदुर्ग. Yes. So what is the answer, dear student? The odd man out of is this Sindhudurga. Yes. These three questions we have finished here. Question 1. Find the odd man out. Pune, Supe, Chakan, Bangalore. Answer is Bangalore. Second, Jadhav of Fulton, More of Javli, Ghorpode of Mudhol, Sawant of Sawantwadi. Answer is Jadhav of Fulton. Third, Torna, Murumdev, Sinhagad, Sindhudurga. Our answer is Sindhudurga. Write about in your words the efforts of Veer Mata Jijabai took for Shivaji Maharaj education. Jijabai was very particular about giving excellent education to Shivaji Maharaj. She installed in him values like modesty, truthfulness, oratory, vigilance, courage, and fearlessness. She saw that he was trained in uses of weapons and inspired in him the will to win and dream of Swaraj. The answer is given, dear student. You can write it, you can have screenshot, so you can write it later on. Now question second is Shivaji Maharaj started his work of founding Swaraj in the Mawar region. Okay. Shivaji Maharaj started his work of founding Swaraj in the Mawar region. The Mawar region means today's Pune district, west and southwest part. The Mawar terrain is full of hills and valleys and is not easily accessible because of these geographical features. Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding the Swaraj in the Mawar region. This is the answer. Yes. Now our third question is list the champions and associates of Shivaji Maharaj. List the champions and associates of Shivaji Maharaj. Esaji Kanka, Baji Pasalkar, Bapuji Mudgal, Narerkar Deshpande brothers, कावजी कोंढाळकर, जीवा म्हाला, तानाजी मालुसरे, कान्होजी झेदे, बाजीप्रभू देशपांडे. These were the associates of Shivaji Maharaj. Question 4. Find out and write. Why Shivaji Maharaj is termed a Swaraj visionary? Why Shivaji Maharaj is termed a Swaraj visionary? Shivaji Maharaj himself aspired to establish Swaraj by ousting the power of foreign people. That is why he is known as Swaraj visionary. Now question second. Shivaji Maharaj paid attention to building a navy. Shivaji Maharaj paid attention to building a navy. Shivaji Maharaj captured Kalyan and Bhiwandi on the Konkan coast. Shivaji Maharaj captured Kalyan and Bhiwandi on the Konkan coast. There he came into contact with Siddhi, Portuguese and British powers on the western coast. Shivaji Maharaj realized that in order to fight these powers, it was necessary to have a strong naval force. Therefore, he concentrated on building a navy. This is the answer of this question. Now, third is that Shivaji Maharaj entered into a treaty with Adil Shah. Answer. While Shivaji Maharaj was trapped at Panhala, Aurangzeb, who had ascended the throne of Delhi, had sent Shaiste Khan, Mughal Sardar, to the Deccan. He had invaded the Pune province. The conflict with Adil Shahi continued even as the Mughal army invaded the Swaraj. Maharaj realized that it would not be prudent to fight two enemies at one and the same time. Therefore, Shivaji Maharaj entered into a treaty with Adil Shah. Now, 4. How Shivaji Maharaj escaped from Panhalgarh. How Shivaji Maharaj escaped from Panhalgarh. Shivakashi resembled Shivaji Maharaj in looks. He dressed up like Shivaji Maharaj and sat in a palki. The palki left by the Rajdindi gate. It was captured by the Siddhi's army. It was a difficult situation. Shivakashi sacrificed himself on these occasions for Swaraj. In the meanwhile, Shivaji Maharaj left the fort using another difficult route. He was accompanied by Baji Prabhu Deshpande, Bandal Deshmukh and some chosen soldiers. Dear student, here we have finished our exercise. Okay. And see, if you want to get more videos of history, please subscribe it, like it and share it. Thank you.